Okay, this is the last video on lists. So we will move on to see more methods. We saw a bunch of list methods. In this one, you can see some built-in methods. You can see lines 2 through 5. So basically you have a list here. So what does this code do? You have a list here. The len is going to give you the number of elements. So it's going to give you 6, which is what happens when you run this thing. Max is going to give you the maximum, 74. Min, the minimum, which is 3. Sum method gives you the sum of all these numbers, which is 154. And this just tells you a way you can find the average. So you're basically using the sum to find this 154 divided by 6 to get the average. So you're basically doing an average using the built-in methods. Next one, this tells you the connection between lists and strings. So you have a string, you do list of that string. So you basically print that. So you see that string characters are taken out and they are part of the list element. So spam becomes SPAN. So these are like 4 different elements of the list. So if you want to break a string into words, there is a method called split. So you can see the split method. I like Python programming is a string I have. The split method makes it into a list, puts it in a variable called T. And when I print T, I get I like Python programming. This is a list. You can see the string. S is now a list. Then there is a reverse operation. So the string method, we are choosing a string for sample, let's say delimiter equal to, within quotes, a space. So that string, this is also a string, using a method called join. And the join takes a list as an argument. So it uses the join method with the list as argument. So now it brings you back the string. So from the string to a list to the split method, and the join method takes a list and gets you back the string. I like Python programming. So that's what you see in the last line. So these are some additional methods on the list. Hope you guys liked it. If you want to, please add some comments. Subscribe if you wish to. Thank you.